Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I thought I would film this look that I'm rocking. It's really easy, it's just a few products, and to get the eye look it's basically 2 eyeshadow from MAC, and yeah, so let's start filming. Let's get started. I am going to start with MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to give that a good shake. Give myself a good spritz. Let that dry off. And I'm going to do this makeup pretty quick because I want to start filming before my kids get home. Then I'm going to use for foundation, Woke Up Like This, Makiage in 230. Hopefully you can. It's a pump, so let's just give this a and it's really, now to be fair, I am not doing this makeup look with a mirror. I'm using my viewfinder, so that I'm about to change. Foundation on the other side, put that right there. I'll put a little bit more on my brush because you can see that I have hyperpigmentation around my nose. And I'm just going to use more for tapping motion around my nose. For concealer, I am going to use the Yves Saint Laurent Touché Éclat in the color 7. Numero 7. And this is just, you just click it. Yep, I'm going to use a concealer brush that I'm going to spritz a little bit of Fix Plus and dust that off. And then start blending. Then I'm going to bake with the Secret Brightening Powder from Mercier. It's going to take a little bit of this, start powdering under my eyes. Then for contour, I am going to use Sketch by MAC and a e.l.f. multi-blending massager brush. I'm just going to dab that in there. I need a mirror, so. And to kind of blend everything out, I'm going to use the MAC NW48 Studio Fix. And I'm going to use a Real Technique, I think this is a blush brush, but I use it for I'm going to put a little bit of the anti-wrinkle blur effect for eyes, strivectin see that? There we go. And then I'm going to use just a tiny bit of this on the lid of my eyes so that my makeup does not crease. Then from my MAC palette, I'm going to use this color, which is Beautiful Iris A54. Yeah. So this purplish color with a... This is from a set, I'm not sure, there's no number on it, but just a flat brush. And then we're going to pat that on the lid. I'm going to use the mirror from this to pack it on the lid. And try not to be out of frame. And with a Anastasia Beverly Hills tapered brush, I'm going to use get that on my hands. What color is that? Shadowy Lady from MAC. It's gonna be this smoky purple right here, and I'm gonna use that for my crease. Hopefully you can see this. What's happening? Kind of feather it in. I'm just gonna wing it out too while I blend.
Can I do that for the other eye? Gonna wing it out. Bring it.
And for mascara, I'm going to use Maybelline, the Falsies Volume Express. I love the wand. You see, it's kind of curved. And then I look down. I just did that without looking, and I'm pretty sure I screwed it up. No, I didn't. Sure, I wiggle it in the roots. Open it up. Wiggle. I'm going to do a third and fourth coat at the ends of my lashes, just so I have a little bit more volume there and length. And then I'm not sure about blush. You know what? For blush, I'm going to use the Fenty cream in Bikini Martini. Is that upside down? No. And that's the Fenty one. And it's just really kind of bright pink. I'm going to use a stippling brush and just do that really lightly. And this is a cream brush. I can't see with that little mirror, so I need a bigger mirror. To the other side. Then I'm going to use MAC Lovejoy as a highlighter. Looks like that. And I'm just going to put it on the high points of my cheeks. Has lots of shimmer. Then I'm just gonna brush up my not gonna lie, my eyebrow needs to get done like badly, but I refuse to do it myself anymore because the last time I did, I literally gave myself a patch. So they're just gonna be full and unruly till I can get in somewhere. And then for lips, I'm going to use NYX Butter Gloss in Marshmallow. See that? I think this might be a little too much. The finished look. Hope you enjoy it. Everything that I use will be linked down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you're already subscribed so that you don't miss any of my other videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.